guys, Zoyo here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make bacon on a gas stove. First we need bacon, so let's go get that. Bacon. Okay. So now we have a bag of bacon. Now you've got your bacon in a bag. This, for me, it is. Now, you're going to need a pan, like a decent size. Okay, yeah, that's fine. So, depending on how much bacon you're making, this should be a good enough size pan. And we are going to be using the front burner today. When I made spaghetti, we used the back burner. And we need a lid for the pan as well. I don't think I have one in here. Well, actually, no, you don't need a lid for the pan. But I'd like to have one just in case. Okay, no, you don't. You don't need one. Now, what you're gonna need is this. You can use olive oil, I think. I'm using avocado oil. I'm not using this bottle. I have a bottle over there next to the microwave. I don't know if you can see it, the green bottle. That's already open, so we're gonna be using that. Take your avocado oil. And then you're gonna wanna open it and pour it into the pan. So, as you can see, I have my avocado oil right here. So all I'm gonna do is just pour a bit into the pan. Sprinkle it all around. Don't try and cover up the whole bottom of the pan, that might be too much oil. And then just put the lid back on your avocado oil, or whatever you're gonna use, and then just put it back. Now, you wanna take your pan and move the avocado oil around in it, just to get it all over the bottom of the pan. Just, if you're gonna put more avocado oil in, like, you can go ahead and put more in if you want to, right? But this is a gas stove, so it is flame combustible. Now, you're gonna need a plate, a fork, so, spatula. You could just use the spatula. You can use a knife. I'm using a fork. So, spatula, fork. Plate. The plate you will be using to put your bacon on. And some paper towels. Because these are going to be some greasy bacon. Let's see. Okay. So 2 4s. So, let me turn the camera. When you're all set up, you should have this. A pan with avocado oil in it, as you can see. And a spatula and a fork on top of a plate with paper towel. Now, the paper towel, the spatula, and the fork have nothing to do with each other. The paper towel you're using to remove the grease from your bacon. The plate you're going to use to eat your bacon, and the spatula and the fork you're going to use to flip your bacon. So, let's get into starting. This ended up taking longer to make. What just ended up happening was I went to go and set my phone up on top of the stove where the time is, and it fell behind it. So I had to go outside, go get a stick, pull the drawer down, and just pull my phone close enough where I could grab it, and then I had to wash my phone off, wash my hands, went outside to go and see if Kat was doing all good out there, because she's out there. And yeah. And my avocado oil dried up. Dried up. So I'll just add a bit more there. Now you get to the actual cooking part. So, you'll take your bacon, which is now not as frozen as it was before. Just put a couple pieces in. So obviously, I put one piece in, but, you know, good enough. I am going to point the camera towards the thing and start up a time lapse while I'm cooking. And this is how it looks when it's raw. So there's some raw bacon in there. You see it? Alright, so I'm gonna go on to the time lapse, put more bacon in, and start cooking. And I will get back to you when I'm done, or if I have anything interesting to say. Okay, so I'm just finishing up with the last few pieces here. And instead of it being bright pink, it's now all dark and like browny, reddish, crispy. So, when you're done, like I just finished, you're just gonna leave your pan on the burner. Don't touch it because it's gonna be really fucking hot. And if you don't feel like cooking anymore, just trash on your fork away. And in the middle of cooking, if for some reason you, I guess not really for some reason, because it happened. Okay. If for some reason, or like if you feel little pains in your hands and on your body, it is because it is the oil bouncing back up and it is burning. Shut up. And if the oil burns you, it's not that big of a problem. My hands are now really oily from all the oil. You can't really see it, but they're like shiny as fuck. But, so when you're done, you will have bacon like this. It'll be extremely greasy. You just want to fold your other piece of the paper towel over it and just push it down a bit. Feel around. And then just flip it back. Now all the grease off the top will be gone, and you are good to pick up your paper towel and move all your bacon down onto your plate. And as you can see, now we have a plate of bacon. Congratulations, you just made fucking bacon on a gas stove.